Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the new Jetour showroom on Mannings Hill Road. The official address is 1 Mannings Hill Road, and there you can see it. It's still under construction, but it should open soon. This area is also known as Mary Brown's Corner. It's the intersection of Constant Spring Road, that's the road we're on, and we're going to turn right onto Mannings Hill Road. Now, Jetour is a Chinese car brand, and Tire Warehouse Automotive Limited is the exclusive dealer for Jetour vehicles in Jamaica, operating under the brand name Jetour Jamaica. Now, originally, or before, we had done a video and we had indicated that this was going to be a Tire Warehouse location, but it's actually the showroom for Jetour. And Jetour currently has a temporary showroom on South Camp Road. So this will be their permanent one. And they also have a temporary showroom in Montego Bay at 658 Coral Gardens, but they are also building a permanent showroom in Montego Bay. And Jetour Jamaica is positioning itself as one of the largest dealerships in the country, emphasizing modern SUVs with competitive pricing and strong after-sales support. Alright guys, so we'll keep you guys updated on this development, but we're just giving you a quick update as to what's happening here. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.